Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I go to how to create logout function in Flutter and Firebase. So let's go to our video. So in previous videos, I show how to login page create and how to login and how to register in Firebase. In this video, I show how to log out function create. So I am now in my home dot screen. So I have in stateless widget. So I want to firstly I want to create stateful widget. I cannot it. So after that, we only need the Firebase auth dot package. Previously we install it. So I not install it now. If you don't know how to install it, please go to my previous video. So now, firstly, I log to my home screen at email.com. The password is 123456 and login. And you can see this is my home. Okay, so I want to add here the button. I remove this home and not it text. I want to icon in here because I show how to log out. So I create icon button. So in here on pressed function and the icon is create icon. So icon widget have the icons dot cross. Okay, this is my okay. Now you can see in here the icon button in here. But if I click it, it's not does not need not work because we not any function including here in on press function. So after that, in on press function, you have to type this Firebase auth. The Firebase auth is coming from the auth package in Firebase. So install it please. And dot the instance have the sign out property, and okay, now all are done because we create the function in here in on-press function as a Firebase auth instant dot sign out. After that, we need to if I click this button, the notify your state listen about the sign out event. Okay, the sign out is done, but the home screen not going because we have to give in here. We have to know the Flutter program. We have to define. If I click this button, this screen go and to go to home page. So how to do it? It's very easy. We can use a navigator dot pop. Pop mean it's go to the root widget. Okay, the context mean the where is the widget is now situated. The pop is the it's go to the root page. What is the root page? As I remember, in main page, the login screen is our root page. Okay. So after that, home screen and save. Okay, you can see you are go to your home screen again. I log in and login. Show the home screen, and if I click the cross button, you can see in here the listener about the sign out event, the sign out, and the go to your login screen. So it's very easy, not too much coding in here. Okay, that's it. You only need a Firebase code package and this code base code only. So try it, and if you don't understand it, please refer my I include the link in the documentations. So refer it and watch this video again. You can catch this, not too much hard, this Firebase sign out. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.